3, 2, 1.
When were Jennifer Lopez and Mark Anthony's twins Em and Maximilian born? The answer is C. February 22, 2008. Digestive enzymes secreted in the acidic environment low pH of the stomach help break down what? The answer is D. Proteins. In the cartoon Dinosaurs, Bronto Thunder is what kind of dinosaur? The answer is C. An evolved Apatosaurus. When and where was Jerry Lewis born? The answer is C. 3/16/1926 in Newark, NJ. What is the name of the river which flows through central London, the capital of England and the United Kingdom? The answer is A. Thames. Kirk Acevedo, who plays Agent Charlie Francis on Fringe, also appeared in which of these popular shows? The answer is A. Law and Order: Trial by Jury. Who was a sheriff before being elected President of the United States? The answer is D. Grover Cleveland. What is the attraction of oppositely charged ions caused by electron transfer called? The answer is A. Ionic bond. What is the color of Link's tunic in The Legend of Zelda? The answer is B. Green. Where is the hypothalamus-pituitary complex located in the body? The answer is A. Diencephalon of the brain. Which vehicle was the first to use a turbine engine instead of a conventional piston engine? The answer is B. Chrysler turbine car. At what time of the day are Tasmanian devils most active? The answer is B. At night. Shielding should be used when receiving X-rays to limit exposure to what potentially harmful form of energy? The answer is C. Radiation. When Pastor Dave visits the Foreman house in an episode of That 70s Show, he asks the kids to draw a picture of God. Who do both Hyde and Eric draw? The answer is D. Eric Clapton. Which gas forms clouds in the atmosphere? The answer is C. Water vapor. What is the home of The Simpsons called? The answer is C. Springfield Hospital. Who plays the character Dwight Schrute in The Office? The answer is A. Rainn Wilson. If an area is experiencing a drought, how can they overcome the lack of water? The answer is A. A downpour. Which language has the most number of speakers as a first language? The answer is A. Mandarin Chinese. What kind of garment is made from knitted fabric, often with long sleeves and a collar? The answer is C. Cardigan. When substances pass through the cell membrane without needing any energy, what is it called? The answer is B. Passive transport. Which racket sport uses a yellow ball? The answer is A. Tennis. Which Greek god is known as the Earthshaker? The answer is A. Poseidon. The pasta bucatini has what meaning in Italian? The answer is B. Little holes. What is the name for the process of charging an object by touching it with another charged object? The answer is D. Charging by conduction. What is the fastest speed reached in Need for Speed? The answer is D. 1,500 mph. When did Alcatraz Island become a federal prison? The answer is C. 1934. Who is the first American pair to win a World Figure Skating Championship gold medal? The answer is D. Carol Michael Kennedy. Who broke the 100 world record at the 2019 Doha World Athletics Championships? The answer is C. Christian Coleman. What process joins two haploid gametes into a diploid zygote? The answer is A. Fertilization. What ocean contains the Galapagos Islands? The answer is C. Pacific. What eliminates food wastes that remain after digestion takes place? The answer is C. Large intestine. What appliance do you use to mix ingredients?
The answer is A. Blender.
Which of these is not a percussion instrument? The answer is A. Guitar. Which of the following is a recurring theme in much of Woody Allen's comedy? The answer is B. Death. What type of charge do electrons have? The answer is D. Negative. The nature of what animal does Buddy Love have in the 2000 comedy Nutty Professor Roman 2, The Clumps? The answer is C. Dog. What stores food for future use and is green? The answer is D. Tree. Which country is not a member of the EU? The answer is D, Norway. Where did David ends? The answer is B, in the basement of her mom and dad's. In language, me is which type of pronoun? The answer is A, first person. Which is not a human chromosome number? The answer is C, 78. What type of change occurs when matter changes chemically into an entirely different substance with different chemical properties? The answer is A, chemical. Which graph has a curve that asymptotically approaches the x and y axes? The answer is A, hyperbola. Upon reaching the postsynaptic membrane, what type of chemical messenger binds to and activates a specific receptor? The answer is C, neurotransmitter. Who is the Roman god of thieves? The answer is B, Mercury. The Berlin Wall fell in which year? The answer is C, 1989. Which psychological term refers to the study of how individuals develop and interact with their social environment? The answer is A, social psychology. Which ocean is known as the Eastern Sea in ancient China? The answer is B, Indian. Love Canal was an infamous example of what type of pollution?